Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody posted this picture on Facebook, and it is a pretty cool lamp design. Matter of fact, I think I'm going to draw one and cut it out. And they asked how you would design this or what kind of software you'd use it or design it in, and this would be very easily designed in Corel Draw. You just kind of think about a couple of things, and you have to do some test cutting. And here we go. We're going to design one of these real quick. All you need, and I have no clue how many vertical pieces are in this. I'm going to say there's 60. I'm going to draw one with 40 because this could be a lot longer than I think it is. So I'm just doing one that's like 14 inches tall by 3/4 of an inch across this. So all I did is I drew out the vertical pieces. I put notches, and this is what you'd really need to test your notches before you cut out 40 of these or 60 of these. But then just draw this shape, and I'm not going to get into how to draw that shape. I just added some nodes, and that's one thing about designing. It would be your deal. But let's talk a little bit about how we're going to draw the center part. What's going to hold these together. So we're going to put this in the center of the page. And I've drawn a notch. Let me zoom in here a little bit. And I've drawn a notch that is 0.125 wide or thick for the thickness of I would cut this out of plywood because any other wood is going to cost you a lot of money because this is going to take up possibly your whole laser bed, if not more. I'm going to hold down the control button and I'm going to bring this up just above the apex of that circle. Let's move down just a little bit. Let's set our nudge factor on 0.001 because we don't want to waste too much of it. You just really want it on above that. Now we're going to go to another video I just made last several days on how to rotate this thing. And we're going to double click on it and it's in the center. We're going to go to arrange in the transformation, rotation, and we want 40 of these. So 360 divided by 40. And it put those around there. Now we need to select everything, weld it with back minus front, and it cut all our notches out. That's pretty cool. Now, this circle was 5 inches. So if you're going to do 60, you're going to make your circles a little bit bigger, I would think. And that's where you would do some test cutting. I would test cut a couple of these and just put some plywood in there and see how, you could possibly get these a little bit closer, but you can't make it where it's so fragile. You can't glue it together. So that's the easy part. So you're going to have a top and a bottom. So you would just control D, move that one out of the way. And let's say this is going to be our bottom. And we're going to just do like that. There's our bottom to let the heat out of the circle. So there's your bottom. The top's going to be a little bit more trickier because you're going to have to figure out your cord and your socket and what you're going to do. So I'm just going to put a 1/2 inch hole, 0.5, 0.5, put it in the center. So there's your top and your bottom. Now that's the easy part. And the other part's not bad. It's kind of fun, but let's say you're going to have 40 of these. So you've got 40 identical, but we need to be making them go downhill in a in a pattern like this. This is what's so cool about this. So I've drawn this out. Let me get just on one. And I'm going to take if this is going to be my top, I'm going to make a duplicate and I'm going to rotate it. And now this is going to be my bottom one when it gets to the bottom. So I need to know the distance. So we're going to go, I need the distance from that to that. So from the top of the bottom one to the top of the top one. see what that distance is. I'm going to grab the parallel dimension tool and click on that node and click on that node, and I've got 9 inches. Let me make that a little bit bigger. So we've got 9 inches, and there's 40 of them. Think of that. So take out a calculator and divide 9 inches by 40, and you come up with 0.225. Okay. Now this is going to take a little bit of time, but it's not bad. And I'm going to do a couple of them. Now we've got these nodes. We're going to set our nudge distance on 0.225. We're going to take our shape tool. We're not going to touch the first one because we want it. We're going to click on it. We're going to grab these 4 nodes and we're going to cursor down 1 click. We're going to grab these 4 nodes and we're going to cursor down 2 clicks. And I accidentally grabbed the box. So when you're zooming in here, so here's our third one. Two clicks down. Well, I actually did the wrong one. So that should have been, let me just kind of back up here. So this is the one we've already done. This is the next step. 2 down. This one will go 3 down. Now, if you want to see if it's going to work, go to the last one. Grab it. Grab those 4 nodes and go down 40 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 9, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. I must have miscounted, but it does work. Tell you what, let's do that over. I was trying to save people in the video time. Let's just do this one 40 times. And you could change your nudge factor. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So by the time you get to this last one, and I must have been right, it just didn't look right, you'll have 40 different looking things that's going to give you this curvature from the top. The top probably starts over there and it winds all the way around to the bottom. Anyway, sometime soon I'm going to cut one of these out and show you what it looks like for real. But this is just use your imagination when you're drawing something like that. Use your nudge factor. Use your nudge distance. And as you can see, these are going downhill. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.